Hello and welcome back to TOEFL versus IELTS on English Mastery Hub. Today we are going to look at the TOEFL speaking section, which is the third section of the TOEFL exam. The TOEFL speaking section lasts approximately 16 minutes and you have 4 speaking tasks. Task number 1, which is an independent speaking task, simply means that you have to answer a question. For example, do you think children should have smartphones? And you are required to give your opinion and support your opinion with 2 reasons. Preferably also give examples. This all sounds well and good. However, you have 15 seconds to prepare and you need to speak for 45 seconds. Please try and speak for the full time. You are being marked on your language. So use all 45 seconds. Don't worry, it will stop recording when the time is up. The second section is a integrated speaking task, and this simply means that you will listen and read, and this is generally to do with a change happening on campus. It is not an academic question. So for example, the canteen may have decided to no longer serve vegetarian meals. You will read a short notice about the change, and then you will listen to a conversation between 2 students. One student is for and one student is generally against the change, and the question will be something like this: discuss the change and how the student feels about it and the reason she gives for feeling this way. For this task, you have 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Task number 3 is called General to Specific. It is a text and a lecture on the same topic, and for the speaking section, the lecturer will always agree with the text. So again, you are looking for 2 points, and in the lecture 2 points and possibly examples to support those points. And your task is to marry the reading and the listening together in your speaking and answer a question. And the final task, task number 4, is an academic lecture. This will be slightly longer. It is listening only, and for that reason your preparation time is shorter. You have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. When you are speaking, vary your intonation. Try and use a large amount of vocabulary. Make sure your grammar is correct and that your speaking flows logically from one point to another. Like all other sections, the TOEFL speaking section is out of 30 marks and will be added to the other 3 sections' marks to give you a total for the exam of a mark out of 120. So that's the TOEFL speaking. In our next podcast, we will address IELTS speaking. Thank you for now. See you soon. Bye-bye.